Meanwhile, residents of Vineyard Town in Kingston are fuming over the decision by the Health Ministry to use the St. Joseph's Hospital as a quarantine facility for the coronavirus. The people sought to highlight their concerns Sunday afternoon at a meeting with the Ministry of Health. TVJ's Prince Moore reports.
A heated exchange Sunday afternoon between residents of Vineyard Town and technocrats in the Ministry of Health. This after the St. Joseph's Hospital was declared a quarantine area for the ministry to treat with the novel coronavirus 2019. The meeting erupted in chaos following this statement from a resident.
I know of a case that is in Vineyard Town here. I know a person who has been to China and is quarantined at home. How do we guarantee that she stays at home and not come outside to infect others?
There is no one in this country with the coronavirus.
That comment drew the ire of those gathered at the meeting.
If you know, show me your evidence. Show me your evidence. You were not listening. What the lady said was that she knows of someone who came back from China and was walking up and down in the community. She never said.
The resident further clarified her question, asking how can the ministry ensure that someone who travels from China and is being quarantined at home stays indoors.
At no time did she say she knows anybody in the community with the coronavirus. So I don't want anybody to leave here and say that anybody in Vineyard Town have the coronavirus.
But chief among the residents' grouses was the designation of the St. Joseph's Hospital as a quarantine facility.
You know that we're not going to do this. One never consult the ministers and say to them that we would like to come to St. Joseph, get to the Vineyard Town Citizen Association, sensitize the community of a meeting first, on a shove it down the throat, and we must come take it like Sunday dinner.
Mr. Bryan was about to answer when this resident sought to get her point across.
I have absolutely no problem apologizing to the community for the fact that we had to act. Okay. Fort Augustus Prison. Hold on. Let me. Are you going? Several options are examined, and as I pointed out before, when we look at all the facilities that we have that can be used to facilitate quarantine, this was the best option.
Prince Moore, TVJ News.